This is the line dance tutorial for Up In Your Giddy, my new 24 count, 4-wall, easy beginner line dance done all around the United States right now. Bring it to your bar. I'm going to teach you step by step. You're going to start with a wizard step right foot. We're going to go right, behind, and for 1, 2, and. Take your left foot, step diagonal. Bring your right together as you clap twice. Clap, clap. So the counts with that is we got 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From here, we're going to jump back diagonal right for and 5. Diagonal left for and 6. We're going to be heel and stomp, stomp. So and heel, that's a left heel, stomp, left, right. All right, so this whole 8 count was tight from the wizard step. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, you're going to walk it forward 2 steps, right, left. We got 1, 2. You do little paddle turns for 3, 4. Point that right foot out. From here, you're going to walk it forward 3 times. Walk right, left, right, and then you're going to jump back, left, right. So that's your next 8 count. Let's try it. Ready, 5, 6, 7 from that 8. Walk 1, 2.3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put the 2 8 counts together. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and heel stomp, stomp. Walk right, left, point 3, 4. Walk right, left, right, and step. From here, really easy. You're going to slide to your right. Slide 1, 2, shake it for 3, 4. You're going to slide to your right for 5, 6. You're going to do 1/4 turn to your right and shake it for 7, 8. So that last 8 count, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put all 3 8 counts together. Ready, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Jump 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Walk 1, 2.3, 4. Walk 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slide 1, 2, shake 3, 4. Slide 5, 6, shake 7, 8. And that is all 24 counts of Up In Your Giddy. There is one tag, but it's really easy. All you gotta do is stomp to the beat. Ba 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 ba. That's all you gotta do. Or you can just stand there and then add a restart. So that's Up In Your Giddy. Hopefully you take it.